Hello friends, welcome to my channel Master the Monster. Equations. Do you think equations are pure mathematics? Then you're absolutely wrong. Equations are part of our daily life. We use equations in our daily life. We not only use them, we also need equations to solve many real life problems. Before learning equations in detail, subscribe to my channel so that you will enjoy learning maths. In this video, we have solved the first three subdivisions of problem number 2 of exercise 3.4, and this video will solve the last two problems, right? Okay. Now the fourth one is that Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her 50 rupee and 100 rupee notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of 50 and 100 she received. So Meena goes to a bank to withdraw 2000 rupees. So she takes the cash only in 50 rupees note and 100 rupees note. Okay, she may get some 50 rupees note. We don't know how many 50 rupees note she got. Let's take it as X. And the 100 rupees note, let's take it as Y. 10. So as she has withdrawn 2000, the 50 rupees note she has X notes, and 100 rupees note she has Y notes, means then this 50X plus 100Y will amount to 2000, isn't it? So this is how we are going to frame the equation. So now let's make the assumptions. Let's assume that the number of 50 rupees note is X and the number of 100 rupees note be Y. Now we'll see the conditions given. So the total amount she withdrew is 2000, isn't it? So the first condition is she withdrew 2000 rupees in form of 50 rupees and 100 rupee notes. So 50x plus 100y will sum up to 2000. This is our first equation. And as the coefficients are larger, we have a common term 50 in common. So we'll divide throughout by 50 to get x plus 2y equal 40. So this is our first equation. Okay, now the next condition is that she has 25 notes in all. Number of 50 rupees notes is X and number of 100 rupees notes is Y, and total is 25. So the next condition given is that X plus Y. So the number of 50 rupees notes plus number of 100 rupees notes is total is 25 notes. So this is our second equation. Now let's solve them using elimination method. The first equation, let me take it as it is, X plus 2Y equal 40. And the second equation also as it is, X plus Y equal 25, because here the coefficients of X are same and they are of same sign. So let me subtract them so that X gets cancelled. So I get Y equal 40 minus 25, that is 15. So substitute Y equal 15 in equation 1 or 2. Let me substitute in 2. So it's X plus 15 equal 25. So X equal 25 minus 15, that is X equal 10. So this tells me that she got 10 50 rupees note and 1500 rupees note from the cashier. Alright. So that is the solution. So the solution is Meena received 10 50 rupees note and 1500 rupees note from the cashier. Okay, the last part of the problem is that a lending library has fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Sarita paid 27 rupees for a book kept for 7 days, while Susie paid 21 rupees for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and the charge for an extra day. So here you have a lending library, and this is like the taxi problem that we discussed in our previous exercise. Alright, so the same procedure here. So the lending library has two charges, namely the fixed charge and the additional charge. The fixed charge is for the first 3 days. So the problem is to find the fixed charge and extra charge, isn't it? Additional charge. So let's assume that the fixed charge be rupee X and the additional charge be rupee Y. Now, first condition given is that Sarita had the book for 7 days, okay, and she paid rupees 27. This is the first condition. So 7 days means the fixed charge is for 3 days, isn't it? So 7 days can be split as 3 days plus 4 days. So for 3 days she should pay fixed charge X, and for 4 days she should pay Y rupees for each day. So totally she should pay 4Y rupees. So we have X plus 4Y. Sarita paid X plus 4Y rupees, and it's given that to be 27. So this is my first equation. Hope you understand the first equation. X is the fixed charge for 3 days, and in 7 days, when you have the fixed charge for 3 days, the additional charges will be for the remaining 4 days. The remaining 4 days, the additional charge per day is Y rupees. So the additional charge for 4 days is 4Y. So that amounts to 27 rupees. Now the second condition given is that Susie had the book for 5 days and she paid rupees 21. So this 5 can be split up as 3 plus 2 because we fix a charge for 3 days. So for 3 days she pays X rupees, and for 2 days she pays the additional charge Y for each day. So the totally she pays 2Y rupees for 2 days. So now she pays totally X plus 2Y rupees, and that's given as 21 rupees. This is our second equation. So this is how we frame the equations. Now let's solve them. Here again the coefficients are same. So let me take the equations as it is. X plus 4Y equal 27. And the second equation is X plus 2Y equal 21. So subtracting them we get 2Y equals 6, that is Y equal 3. So let me substitute Y equal 3 in any one equation to get the value of X. Let me substitute in equation 2. So it is X plus 2 into 3 equal 21. So X plus 6 equal 21 gives me X equal 21 minus 6, that is X equal 15. The fixed charge is rupees 15 and the additional charge is rupees 3 per day. So for 1 day you have to pay 3 rupees. This is how we have framed the equations for all the given situations and solved them using elimination method. Hope you all understand. Thank you.